Hello, my Dorian fans. Probably the
Time for
highlight of my work day today
reviews.
was doing my review thing, because we've got a,
Paddy's banned from the table.
whatever it's
He's
called,
lost
half-yearly
table
review in January. I thought it was in December. Turns out it's in January. But then another highlight is, of course, the breakfast. It was delicious. Had smoked salmon this time, because we'd run out of chicken sausages. So, living a luxurious life. Anyway, busy day working, but I did eventually leave the flat to go take out some rubbish, including Maddie. Found that the door had been, well, I think maybe just blown off, fallen off. It looked like it had a bit of rot in it or something, I don't know. To the bin room, that is. But anyway, Maddie and I then went to the shops. It was very fun, a nice little trip. We bought some eggs and some chicken and some things that don't lead to philosophical questions. And then we walked past the road that I drove
have been here.
on. I've driven on this road, so I thought I'd point it out. I'm going to be driving on it tomorrow as well, I imagine. Anyway, we came back and I finally made some stuffing. I've eaten a bunch of it. And then Maddie, meanwhile, was doing serious cooking. She was roasting the chicken and also making these tacos. And then I've got to level 300 on first aid on WoW Classic Hardcore, so that's good. Anyway, I hope you all had a good day. Adios!